In an animation, birds fly over snow-capped mountains. U.S. Department of the Interior, Bureau of Land Management, 50th anniversary of the National Wild and Scenic Rivers Act. A person paddles a canoe on a river.
The National Wild and Scenic River Act was established in 1968 in order to protect America's rivers for future generations. BLM Alaska's Glennallen Field Office is proud to manage 2 wild and scenic rivers, including the Gulkana River, where portions were designated for its wild character. It's the largest clearwater river in the Copper River Basin and features high-quality fishing, camping, whitewater boating, and other river-related recreation opportunities. Let's join the BLM's Glennallen Field Office recreation crew on the Gulkana as we celebrate 50 years of National Wild and Scenic Rivers.
Pine trees line the winding river. Stacked boats sit on a trailer next to a lake, and a snow-capped mountain stands in the distance.
My name's Denton Hamby. I'm an outdoor recreation planner for the Bureau of Land Management, Glennallen Field Office. This is Paxton Lake, and this crew is headed out for the Gulkana Wild and Scenic River.
A man on an inflatable boat studies a map, while 3 people in another boat approach others on a grassy shore. A woman walks in the tall grass with her arms filled with equipment. Then she waves from a boat.
My name is Kenny Steck. I am a recreation technician with the Bureau of Land Management in Glennallen, Alaska, and we are here on the Gulkana Wild and Scenic River.
An oar dips into the water.
We're doing a monitoring trip. It's also an orientation for some of these interns and seasonals. You can imagine anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000 users per year. So with those uses come impact. So we're just trying to help mitigate and manage those impacts as best we can.
He collects trash in a black bag.
I'm Ryan Chalker. The biggest part is that it's wild. It's only accessible by trail.
He paddles a canoe.
We have a few other facilities here, such as outhouses and a portage area.
Sign, portage area, keep left. A gull lifts off from a floating log.
Everything about the Gulkana is wild and scenic. There's wildlife everywhere you turn on this river. You know, everything from caribou to waterfowl.
Geese fly low over the water. An eagle perches on a tall branch.
Just improving that experience for the next public land user, that's a pretty rewarding feeling.
Foamy waves roll over a short waterfall.
The recreation crew's efforts help to sustain accessibility and health of the river. Their work as stewards of the land ensure that the Gulkana River's wild and scenic characters remain intact for all to enjoy. They work to preserve a 50-year and counting legacy of conservation so that future generations may continue to enjoy the Gulkana's bountiful river resources.
Credits: video directed and edited by Jeremy Gallman, introduction and closing narration by Robin Taylor, music from Free Music Archive. Bureau of Land Management Alaska, Denton Hamby, Kenny Steck, Ryan Chalker, Alexander Cook, Megan Martin, Kelly McLaughlin, Jeremy Gallman. Logo: Wild and Scenic Rivers, 50 years, 1968 to 2018. Visit blm.gov/Alaska or rivers.gov/WSR50. Logo: National Conservation Lands.